Hey everybody, so you guys just got done doing perimeter and area of 2D shapes and then surface area, breaking a 3D shape into its net figures and then adding all those together. And now we're going to do volume. So volume is how much can fit inside a three-dimensional shape. So we're fitting inside a 3D shape, okay, whatever shape that is for us. We have some basic ones here. So we have nice formulas for this. These are volume formulas for all of these. Our cylinder here, we're still going to use our radius, so pi times radius squared times h. And the cone, I'm also going to tell you that this works for a pyramid. Pyramid, I can't talk and spell at the same time. That's my problem. So here's a pyramid too. And a pyramid could look like this. It could have like maybe a square base. Anything that comes to a point has this formula. So there's my little pyramid to give you an idea if you are confused about what that means. So if you were given a pyramid, you would actually do, if this is the length and this is the width, your formula for that would be 1/3 times length times width times your height. Okay, so just a little bit different information here. So L is equal to the length of the base shape, and then W is equal to the width of the base shape. Hope you can read my writing. My pen is a little off right now. Okay, so that's what we have for volume. Some students think that this is like the easiest thing to do, but let's also remember that we want to be writing our workout a specific way. So let's pretend we're doing the volume of a cylinder. So that would be pi times our radius squared times our height. So if we want to replace pi with 3.14, let's say our radius equals 5 and our height equals 11. So then we would put in 5 squared, and then we would put 11 in for the height. Notice how I switched from like writing times with the x here to parentheses. I prefer that because that's what we do as we get up into higher level math classes. So order of operations tells me to do 5 squared first, and then I'm going to grab out my calculator because again, calculator is okay for this area. So 3.14 times 25 times 11. So that volume is equal to 863.5. And then my units, I didn't write any units there, so I'm just going to write U cubed because volume is always units cubed. So that's an example of the best way to show work. I know it seems like a little bit much right now, but I promise you what you're heading into in the future math classes, you really want to be able to show your work so that it's kind of like a roadmap for you, and so you can get partial credit on anything that maybe you plugged a number in wrong, but you had the right formula. So that helps teachers give you credit for what you do know and not take off all the points for the problem. All right, let me know if you have any questions.